All right, go into Yoast and click Activate. Scroll down, go to Settings, cross out there. You can leave that. Go to Features, make sure all of those are on. Just leave that off for now. Click Save Changes. Webmaster Tools, you can leave those as is. I'll come and take care of that. Go to Search Appearance. General, you can leave that as is. Usually this is going to be a company, and the name of the company will be up here. In this case, I actually know this is a person. But... So if this had said Mrs. Stuffer's website, then you would do that. Save changes, content types. Make sure hide date. Hide date. Hide date. Hide date. Save changes. Media, leave that as yes. Taxonomies, yes, you can show categories. Most of these just leave default. Okay, I'm going to click Save Changes. For archives, enable archives. Change that to no. Date archives is fine. Yeah, okay, click Save Changes. Breadcrumbs, go ahead and enable breadcrumbs. Leave that as is. Click Save Changes. RSS feed, you don't have to do anything. Search console, you don't have to do anything. I'll come and do that. Social, you don't need anything. You don't need anything to do this for this. Make sure that's enabled. You don't need anything to do with Pinterest or Google+. So that's it.